This tutorial will walk you through how to make a large hanging bin. You can use this for any number of purposes, from a towel hamper in the bathroom to extra kitchen storage. You can print out the free pattern by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to apply interfacing to the bag and a heavy interfacing or something like buckram to the base. Then you want to fold the bag in half and sew it into a loop. Then you want to sew the base to the bottom of the bag with right sides together. You'll need to ease the fabric around the corners of the base. Turn the bag to the right side. Now it's time to get the magnet straps ready. With right sides together, sew the two sets of straps along the long sides. Then you want to turn both straps to the right side and then sew the magnets to the straps. Now you want to baste the straps to the top edge of the back of the bag. Now it's time to get the lining ready. Fold the lining in half and sew it into a loop, and then sew the base on it, the same way that you did with the outer bag. Then you want to sew the bag and the lining together along the upper lid. Place the bag inside of the lining layer to sew them along that upper perimeter. Make sure to leave a small gap in the stitches so that you can turn it to the right side. Once you've sewn it together, turn the bag right side out through that gap in the stitches and top stitch the upper seam. This will seal that gap and make it look nice and neat. And there you have it. You have finished your hanging basket.